Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing really good. So, a lot of you have sent me a request that you wanted some recipes using Bajra millet. So, here I am with a really exciting recipe. It's not a bread recipe, it's a cake recipe. So, it's a millet apple cinnamon cake, but the flours that we've used is Bajra. Then we've added a little bit of Jowar to get the right texture of this cake. So, before we start, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And let's go bake this interesting millet cake. It's kids friendly, it's eggless, and it's super easy to make. So, let's go bake it.
So first we are going to take a bowl and then in that I have added applesauce. Applesauce is actually a very good and healthy substitute for eggs. So you can even use flax eggs, chia seeds, that is fine. But I like applesauce because it gives a lot of texture also. Then I've added khansari sugar. You can add any sugar of your choice. If you want to add coconut sugar, that also you can add. I've taken some curd, but you can add vegan curd if that is fine. I like adding curd sometimes to the tea cakes because it makes it really soft and a spongy also. So I like the texture of that. Then I've added oil. You can add coconut oil, that is fine. Now for the dry ingredients, I have taken jawar flour, I have added bajra. So because this is a gluten-free cake, what I added a little bit of potato starch also. You can add corn flour also. I just like that the starch helps in binding and giving a better structure. So I've added my baking powder, baking soda, I've added vanilla powder, essence you can add, and I added a little bit of cinnamon powder. So now you mix all these ingredients together till a nice and smooth batter is formed. So keep mixing it. You can take a bigger bowl also, or you can take a beater also to mix all of them. So it's very easy till a nice batter is formed. So you can see the batter is turned out really nice. So I've taken a 6-inch cake ring. I always add a parchment paper to it. I oil it a bit, then I add parchment paper. So the best part of parchment paper is that you can keep reusing it and your cake doesn't stick. So I more than butter paper, I prefer using a parchment paper. I topped it with some almonds and then we are going to bake it at 180 degrees. This took around 40 minutes to bake, but please put a toothpick to see if it's done. Also, you can follow me on my Instagram page. I share a lot of baking recipes and I also conduct healthy baking workshops. Both the links are in the description. Now, you see this cake, it's turned out to be so soft, it tasted amazing. So, do try this recipe.